Okay, wait.
Okay, hi. This is Paulina Pacheco, and this is my little sister, Claudia. She's 11 years old. She's going to attempt to solve a Rubik's Cube. Can you see it? While indoboarding in about 4 minutes or something. So, let's begin. Okay.
Okay, my turn.
Go. And don't fall.
Okay, I'll try not to. We should plan this out.
We could do more takes.
Huh?
We could do more takes. We need it.
Okay.
Just solve and balance.
I don't think I'll be able to do it that fast though.
Oh well, just stand on the board and do it. Who cares? You got this. You got this.
Okay. And it's getting easier and easier.
You got it. Come on, you got it. You got it. There you go. You got it. Don't walk right here. We're making a video, so walk her this way.
Alright. Yeah, it's pretty tight.
You got it. You got it.
Okay, I'm like halfway done.
Okay, halfway mark.
I think.
You got it. You got it. Don't walk right here. I'm making a video.
4?
No, it's that food. That food. Right there. It's a rock. Don't walk in front of the laptop.
Is that that?
Don't walk right here. Don't walk right here. No.
Oh, okay. Hey, Pat, don't walk through that way.
Don't walk right here, guys. Come on, you got this. You got this.
Just one more. Oh my god. Getting all kids. Circus animal. Like a trained bear.
Mikey, done.
Can you unicycle
balls
by?
at her.
Don't make me lose.
What a Mr. Happy? I'm so pissed to get on the wall. Oh, see?
Hey, unicycle
Done.
by.
Done. I'm done.
Woohoo! Look. Where are we? The proof is in the cube. Huh? Solved. And wait, she's still on it. The end.